Why do we feel empty? The truth no one tells you. You wake up, you check your phone, you go through the motions, work, eat, scroll, sleep. Maybe you laugh at a meme, reply to a few messages, and get through another day. But deep down, there's this hollowness. Like something is missing, but you can't quite put your finger on it. Like you're running on autopilot, waiting for something to click. But no matter how much you distract yourself, that feeling doesn't go away. You push through another workday, watch another episode, buy something new, scroll a little longer, and for a moment it helps. But then, in the quiet moments, it hits you. That nagging emptiness, that whisper in your mind, is this all there is? So why do we feel this way? Society tells us, be successful, buy more, get likes, hustle harder, work now, be happy later. But later never really comes, does it? Studies show that money, fame, and success only boost happiness up to a point. Once your basic needs are met, more doesn't equal better. You get the promotion, the new car, the dream apartment, but after the initial high fades, that emptiness creeps back in. Why? Because we're not wired for endless consumption. We're wired for meaning. But meaning is harder to chase than a paycheck. So we settle. We scroll endlessly, looking for something to distract us from that nagging sense of emptiness. We collect hundreds, even thousands of online friends, but when was the last time you had a real, deep conversation? A like will never replace a face-to-face laugh. A DM will never replace a warm hug. We are lonelier than ever because we've replaced connection with convenience. And when that doesn't work, we numb ourselves. We binge-watch, doom-scroll, overeat, overwork, anything to avoid being alone with our thoughts. Because sitting in silence with nothing but yourself can feel terrifying. We're constantly plugged in, overstimulated, bombarded with content. But when was the last time you truly felt something? When was the last time you sat still and just existed? No notifications, no background noise, just you. Most people avoid that moment at all costs. But here's the truth. That emptiness you feel, it's not a flaw, it's a signal. It's your mind, your soul, trying to wake you up, trying to tell you this isn't the life you're meant for. It's easy to think that something is wrong with you, that maybe you just need to be busier, achieve more, buy more. But the truth is, we're taught to chase success, not purpose. We're taught to collect followers, not friends. We're taught to stay busy, but never to just be. So how do we fix it? First, stop numbing it. Put down the phone. Turn off the TV. Don't drown out the discomfort. Face it. Because the only way to change your life is to first acknowledge what isn't working. Second, seek real connection. Call someone, not a text. Call. Meet up in person. Be present. Listen without distractions. Vulnerability feels risky, but isolation is worse. Third, create. Don't just consume. We spend so much time absorbing other people's content, other people's opinions, and other people's lives. When was the last time you made something of your own? Write, draw, build, cook, move, play. Do something that makes you lose track of time. Because when you create, you tap into something deeper than distraction. You find flow, you find meaning. And maybe that's what you've been missing all along. At the end of the day, emptiness isn't your enemy. It's your wake-up call, a reminder that you are meant for something more. The question is, will you answer it?